today's video, I'm going to show you how I get my glass stovetop to shine like a mirror. We'll get it nice and cleaned up, we'll get it streak-free, polished, and back to its original beauty. Come on, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are looking at my oil-splattered, grimy cooktop stove. This is a glass cooktop, and as you can see here, I haven't cleaned it for days. And I've got a lot of oil that's caked up on there. I do a lot of frying. I know I probably shouldn't, but I do. I do a lot of frying, and the oil spills over, and as you can see, it like gets burned on to the glass top. And that does not just come off with a little bit of soap and water. Like, this really needs to be scrubbed out, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. For a job like this, you need a good product and you need tools. That good product is going to be Weiman's Glass Cooktop Cleaner and Polish. I'm also going to use a dish scrubber. And this is just a plastic one. You can use one that is more abrasive. Your main concern is not to scratch up your cooktop because it's glass and you don't want to scratch it up. I went ahead and just spread the Weiman's cleaner on top of the glass top and just kind of spread it out pretty thick and just leaving it there. Let it soak in for a little while. Next, you'll take the plastic scrub brush and you're just going to start actually working it in pretty well. You want to use some good elbow grease here. You want to try to bring up the debris, the grease, whatever it is that you got caked on there, and just start bringing it up, moving it, getting it out of the way. I like working in circular motions. I feel like cleaning always works better in circular motion. I mean, I don't care if you're brushing your teeth or cleaning tile on the walls or whatever it is you're doing. I feel like circular is always better. Now, you may not see it because we have a lot of product here, but it's definitely coming up. You may not see it, but you can feel it. You can go ahead and move some of the product out of the way and take a peek, and you can see that it's starting to clear up. Those spots that were caked on with oil, they're definitely coming clean. So here you see a little spot that definitely still grimy. That's all we got to do. Just go in there, elbow grease, really start scrubbing it hard and getting it out, and it'll come clean. You can already see the progress. And there you have it, nice and clean. That little bit of whatever was on there, it's gone. Now I'm going to introduce a second tool, and that is a razor. If you want to take this to the next level, if you want your stovetop to shine like a mirror, to just be absolutely beautiful, or even if you're having a hard time getting the grime out, whatever it is that's stuck on there, the razor is going to finish this off. It's going to fine tune it. It's going to make it look absolutely beautiful. Take your razor, hold it at a 45-degree angle, and just kind of start scraping away. Scraping away, you can do this gently. You don't want to damage the cooktop in any way. You just want to do it steady. Take your time and just be patient with it, and it's going to turn out beautiful. Now keep in mind, they do sell the whole kit. It comes with the cleaner, the scrubber, and the razor. I did not have the full kit on hand, so I just kind of used a razor from the garage. But for convenience, they do sell the whole kit. And I'll be sure to add the link in the description below. So now that we've done the scraping process and we've cleaned it up as well as we can, we're going to go ahead and take a wet, clean, soft cloth and just start wiping everything away, start cleaning it up and getting it ready for polishing. Now we'll take a dry, clean, soft cloth and just go ahead and finish drying up the complete surface. Alright, so here we have it. And you can see under close inspection that there are a few little areas that can use some touch-ups. Right there in the center, off to the side. I want this to look beautiful, like a complete mirror. I want it to shine. So I'm going to add a little bit more and go ahead and finish off the rest of it. and just get ready to buff it. So now this is a cleaner and a polisher. So now I'm going to go ahead and just polish the entire stove. I went ahead and focused on those little resistant spots, but now I'm going to go ahead and just buff the entire stove. Now we're going to do the same exact process as before. We're going to take that soft, clean, wet rag and go ahead and just start cleaning everything off. All the little grime, whatever we have on there, all the product, and just get it nice and clean. And then again, with the soft, dry rag, we're going to go ahead and start drying it off. Just completely dry off the whole surface. And now you're going to really start seeing the shine. Voila! Here we have it, our beautiful glass cooktop shining like a mirror. When I tell you that this turned out absolutely perfect, I am not exaggerating. With the help of Weiman's glass cooktop cleaner, we were able to bring this stove back to its original beauty. I am so satisfied with this product. So there you have it, guys. That's how I get my glass stovetop clean using Weiman's glass cooktop cleaner. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very helpful to you and you got a lot of useful information out of it. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Remember, things are not cheap. We as consumers need to know what we're getting into before we just go off buying products. With that being said, thanks for watching and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.